All right, I got here a 2018 Hyundai Sonata. Customer complaint was, I think it came in officially overheating, but they tried scanning it and there was no comm and it stopped shifting. So, pretty sure I know what it is. I've had these many times where I think now it's working, or maybe not. I'll see. All right, so now AC's working. There is an engine light, and yeah, we could shift. So right now we'll probably be able to communicate. I'm pretty sure there's a bad backup camera. I've seen this multiple times where it brings down the network. Let's see, let's do a scan. Let's see if we can communicate with it right now. And then, problem is I'm not going to prove it because, oh, there we go, it's going crazy. See, check, BSD. Once something's on the network, it's going nuts. It's not going to shift now probably. Yeah, you see? Well, it did, but it's slow. Camera's not working, everything's going nuts. Now the camera is working, so it's not gonna be able to communicate. The network's going crazy. So, you see, watch all the gauges going nuts? That's why it was overheating. Or we didn't know if it was overheating because the gauges were going crazy. So, the way to prove this is, well, it is going nuts now, but I'm gonna put a scope on the network, and then we'll put a scope on the network. I'm gonna unplug the backup camera because I'm pretty sure that's what the problem is. See, we just lost ambient temp sensor. So let me get a breakout box and a scope. Okay. All right. So let's pull this out. We'll plug this in. So you see, look at can high's lit up the whole time. It's blinking, can low's not. AC is not working. Okay, plug the scope in. I finally got my Pico leads. We'll go on channel 1. We'll ground 1. And then we're gonna see can high. Look at it, it's a mess. See how it's jumping all over the place? Can low is even bigger mess. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna leave this running, and then I'm gonna go to the backup camera because I've seen this many, many times. Disconnect it, and let's see if it comes back. All right, I think the easiest way to get to it, you could pull it back. Right here. Okay, it's disconnected. Let's go see how our can looks. Much better. And the other one. Can high. And can low. We should be able to communicate now. Let's plug this in. Okay, skip. Let's go back. Wait for this to turn on. Auto scan. There we go, we can communicate. So even when sometimes it's not fully acting up, usually you could see it on the scope. That was my experience on these. I just want to see what the engine light's on for. US General. Okay. Okay. Alright, there's gonna be a bunch of communication codes. We're just gonna erase everything. I am gonna plug it back in just to show the error come back, just to prove the point. Okay, let's go to let's see what these codes are. Yeah, high-speed CAN, all of them. Okay, let's just clear the codes. Clear DTCs. We'll probably have one code left for backup camera. All right, start it up, and the engine light's off. Alright, we're good. Now the thing should shift perfectly. And it does. There's no backup camera because it's not plugged in. Alright, now, I think the backup camera does work. It just messes up the network. Now we're going to go to the scope. We're going to watch it. I'm going to go plug the camera back in. And we're going to come back and see. Okay, so it's still good. The way to drop. Let's shut it off, restart it. Just seeing if I get it to act up again. Might not be able to now. That's CAN high. Camera's working. Let me scan it. Sometimes that's when it messes up. Alright, so it's not messing up right now, but I'm so confident it's okay. Oh, there we go. See that? It just went crazy right now. It didn't flag any codes yet, but look how the network's jumping around. And I'm gonna go here, and now it's totally gone. And now I'm gonna disconnect it. Alright. And we're back to normal. So that's it. It's just a bad camera. Alright, thanks for watching.